Because meter will have cancelled what? Meter. Now you are left with x over 70. Now in mathematics, if you are given this and you have to look for the value of what? X. What are you going to do? Here we are going to cross multiply. If you now cross multiply, that means this will multiply this. The numerator here is this one is assumed to be over 1. This will now multiply 70. 70 will come up here by saying that 0.4663 multiplied by 70 is equal to what? X. Because this is assumed to be over 1. And 1 times x will give you what? X. Now if you multiply this one correctly, your answer, your final answer here is going to be 32.641. That is equals to x. Therefore, the x is equals to 32.641. What is the unit? The unit is meter. We are given the value here in meter. The value here we are also given in what? Meter. So in that case, our final answer is 32.641 meter. Please do not forget, one thing that is most important here is this relationship. These three relationships, the so-called. Once you know what each of these letters stands for, and how you can match them together, and how you can relate it to the right angle triangle given, then your problem is solved. So in that case, another area where students used to make mistake is the checking of the four-figure table. Take note that whenever you want to check your four-figure table, you are dealing with angles in degree. You are dealing with angles in what? In degree. So tan 25 degree, when you check your formula table, you are going to have 0.4663. And by the time you multiply it by 70, your final answer is going to be 32.641. Now let us move to the second exam. Now in this example 2, the question says that find the value of x and y in the triangle below. This is the triangle the question is referring to. You are given this angle to be 65, this line to be 60 meters. We have x and we also have y here. Now I want you to note two things here. The first thing is that in the first example given, the right angle triangle here face this side, but this one is facing this direction. Another thing I want you to know, which is the second thing, is in the first example given, the angle given there is at the bottom line, while this one is at the top. That is to tell you that the position of that angle may be located in any side. It may be at the top and at the same time may be at the bottom. It may have the angle with the bottom line. Now we have to find x and y. This is the angle given. The first thing you have to do is that you need to write down this your short relationship. You write it down as SOHCAHTOA. Now look into this triangle given. Which one of this relationship combine the x and what adjacent together? What is this one adjacent? Because this angle is facing directly downward. In that case, this place is opposite, while this place is adjacent, and this longest line in the right angle triangle is also remain as what? Hypotenuse. Now, the only one that combine the x and then the adjacent together from these three relationships is what? Is CAH, which means cos theta is equals to adjacent all over hypotenuse. Now, when you have cos theta, the theta here means the angle given. If the theta means the angle given is what? 65 degree. You now have cos 65 degree is equals to, and the adjacent is what? 60. 60 all over, what is the hypotenuse? X over x. Now the next thing for you is that you go to your formula table, check your formula table, look for cos 65. From the formula table, cos 65 is equals to 0.4226. 0.4226 is equals to 60 over x. We are looking for what? X. Then what are we going to do? We are going to cross multiply. This value will multiply the denominator here. This one is assumed to be what? Over 1. In that case, we now have 0.4226 multiplied by x is equals to 60. 0.4226 times x will give us what? That is 0.4226x. And when you have this, 0.4226x is equals to 60. And we are looking for x. What are we going to do? At this point, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x in this case is what? That is 0.4226. Divide both sides by 0.4226. Then you now have 0.4226x divided by 0.4226 is equals to 60 over 0.4226. Here, this one we cancel this. Then you are left with what? X is equals to 60 divided by 0.4226. If you do your calculation very well, you are going to arrive at 141.98. 141.98. And do not forget, in the triangle given on the right hand side, the unit of the size given there is what? Is in meter. That is 141.98 in meter. That will now be our value for x. That will be our value for x. Now for y. For y, if you check the triangle again, for the value of y, what combines the adjacent and the opposites together? From the three relationship, the so-called, it is tan, it is 12, this one, that combine the opposite and adjacent together. And do not forget, in that rectangle triangle, we are given our opposite to be y, while the adjacent is 60 meters. Now we now have tan theta is equal to opposites all over adjacent. We have the angle to be the same, that is tan 65 degree is equal to opposite now is what? Y. While the adjacent remain as what? 60. Now from your four-figure table again, go to tan 65, go to tan theta, tan of angle in degree. When you open to tan of angle in degree, now go and check under 65. What do we have? What do we have as tan 65 degree? From the four-figure table, tan 65 degree is equal to 2.145 is equal to 1 all over 60. Y over 60. Then what are we going to do here as our next step? We are going to cross multiply. This will multiply this. This is assumed to be over 1. Why we also multiply 1. We now have 2.145 times 60 is equals to 1. 2.145 times 60 is equals to 1. By the time you multiply this, you multiply it correctly, your answer that you are going to arrive at is 128.7 is equals to 1. Therefore, y is equals to 128.7, and then the unit that we are going to give to it is what? Meter, because the values in the triangle given, they are what? In meter. Therefore, x is equals to 141.98 meter, and y is equals to 128.7 meter. Please, one important thing is that the so-called is very important. Make sure you know it. And another thing is that when you are taking your four-figure table, as far as the level is concerned for now, you are dealing with angle in degree. You are dealing with angle in degree. Make sure you do not check the wrong thing. When you are given tan theta, go to tan of angle in degree. When you have sin theta, go to sin of angle in degree. When you have cos theta, go to cos of angle in degree. That is when you are going to check the right thing and also have the right answer. Now the next one now is the third example. Now we have example number 3. In the example number 3, we are given this right angle triangle, and then the question says find what is the value of x and y. Now, the exercise of turning this right angle triangle upside down is for you to know that it is not always that you have your right angle triangle like this. It is not always, or you have it this way. The thing can be changed, it can be turned upside down, it can be positioned anyhow. All you need to know is that once you have this, you must know that this is what? This is a sign for right angle triangle. And then you're given this x here, y, and then this place to be 5 kilometers. Another thing I want you to know is that all these things given to you, they are used to measure what? Distance. Centimeter, meter, and what? Kilometer. Now, the question says find what is the value of x and y. And we are given this angle to be 30 degrees. This angle is what to this line. This line is what to this angle. This line is opposite, directly opposite to this what? Angle. While this longest line still remains as hypotenuse. This place is now opposite. This is hypotenuse. While this is what? Adjacent. If you now have that, the first thing you need to write down is your SOHCAHTOA. Write it somewhere. SOHCAHTOA. Now check which of these relationships match x and this line or what? Adjacent. I want to solve it alphabetically. I want to start from x. For x. Now, what combine the line of x, which is opposite, and this line of the given value, which is 5 kilometers together? This is opposite and adjacent. What combine opposite and adjacent together from these three relationships? That is TOA, which is that theta is equal to opposites all over adjacent. Now our theta is what? The known angle or the angle given, which is 30 degrees. That 30 degrees is equal to, while the opposite is what? The opposite is x. All over adjacent is what? 5. Now this is what we have. We now open your 4-figure table to where we have type of angles in degree. Type of angle in degree. And now check for what? Tan 30 degree. Look for type of angle in degree. Look, go and check 30. What do you have? Other what? 30. If you check it very well, you are going to have 0.5774. 0.5774 now equals to x over 5. Still the same step, same method. Cross what? Multiply. When we cross multiply this, we multiply this, and this one is going to be assumed to be over 1. Then you now use x to multiply 1. Then you have 0.5774 multiplied by 5 is equal to x, because 1 times x is x. Now, when we have this, if you multiply this one very well, 0.5774 multiplied by 5 is equal to x. Then this multiplication will give us what? If you multiply this one very well, you are going to arrive at 2.887. 2.88 was 7. And mind you, Here we are given this line to be in kilometer. Automatically this place also must be in what? Kilometer. Why this place also must be in kilometer? The value here you now use to carry what? Kilometer as its unit. Now we have 2.887 kilometer for the value of x. Now we want to look for the value of what? We want to check for the value of y. Let's solve for the value of y together. Now I will write it here as for y. What combine the so-called hypotenuse and adjacent together? Because from the triangle given, we are given adjacent to be 5 kilometer and we are given hypotenuse to be what? Our hypotenuse is y. Now from so capture, what combine hypotenuse and adjacent? That is what? Cos. So we want to use star, which means cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. From the right angle triangle given, the theta is 30 degree and is equal to, now adjacent is what? Adjacent is 5 while the hypotenuse is 1. Now from our four figure table, if you check your four figure table very well, cos 30 degree will give you 0.8660 is equal to 5 over 1. Now we are looking for 1. What are we going to do here? We are going to cross multiply as well. We cross multiply. We now have 0.8660 times y to be equals to 5. Now this one is going to give us 0.866 y is equals to 5. Now the next step here is that we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y? That is the number that is attached to y, which is 0.866. 0.866. We are going to divide both sides. Now we want to divide both sides by 0.866. Then we now have 0.866 y over 0.866, which is equal to 5 over 5 over 0.866. Here, this one we cancel this. Then we are left with what? Y is equal to, now 5 divided by 0.866. 5 divided by 0.866. If you do your calculation very well, you are going to arrive at 5.77. 5.77. And mind you, your unit here is going to also be what? It's going to be kilometer. So therefore the value for x is equal to, x value is equal to 2.88 kilometer. Y value is equal to 5.77 kilometer. 5.77 kilometer. Now I want to just into something. For the case of the three example given, once you are able to use so-called relationship to determine one side, the other side which is on one side, or let me say which is the third side, the third side can be determined using Pythagoras theorem. So if you use Pythagoras theorem to determine the third side, you are going to arrive at the same answer as when you use the so-called relationship. What I'm trying to say in essence is that, taking for example, if you have something of this nature, as we have this third example to be something of this nature, this place they say this is 30 degrees and they say this is 5 kilometers. Now the smallest place to be x, this is y. We have determined the value of x to be 2.88 kilometers. What I'm now trying to say is that you can use Pythagoras theorem, which says that hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So you can use Pythagoras theorem to determine this y instead of making use of what? So-called relationship. And at the same time, if you use so-called relationship, you are still going to arrive at the same answer. So that is just an evidence to also prove that Pythagoras theorem can also be what? You can use the two to cross-check your answer and see maybe there's going to be difference or not. So in this case, this is where we are going to end this class for today. And I pray that may the God Almighty Allah enrich you in wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, and also help your parents, provide for them and provide for every one of us. Amen.